Good evening. I'm sorry I'm unable to be with you tonight, but I'm so pleased that my wonderful wife Colleen is there, and I'm sure she did a great job introducing this video. Colleen is a proud OU alum, and she has been excited about this medical school since day one. And although I can't be there in person, I'm honored to help you celebrate this momentous occasion. Let me begin by saying, congratulations to the 2015 charter class of Oakland University William Beaumont School of Medicine. You represent the best and brightest new physicians in our country, and we're expecting big things from you. I also want to take a moment to congratulate founding dean Dr. Robert Folberg. Dr. Folberg has been a driving force behind this school, and we would not be here celebrating this inaugural class without his hard work. And to all the faculty and staff at OUWB, thank you for delivering an outstanding graduating class. Bringing Oakland University and Beaumont Hospital together is a very special achievement. For more than 50 years, these institutions have been providing a quality education to students and exceptional care to patients in Southeast Michigan. Now your great partnership has delivered a talented class of new physicians and has made Southeast Michigan proud. Your innovative approach to medicine is something that could only happen through this unique collaboration. You have a distinctive mission to train physicians who are not just excellent providers of medical care, but people who can truly make a difference in the lives of their patients. After all, healthcare is more than running the right test or prescribing the right pill. It's also about caring. And OUWB has trained physicians who are more than just great scientific minds, they are also kind and compassionate caregivers. Your focus on recognizing diversity and treating patients as people demonstrates you understand that the healing process takes more than medicine. It takes a physician who is a trusted and empathetic counselor as well. This innovative approach is in high demand from aspiring students, and of the 3,200 students who applied for the inaugural class, the 50 of you who were accepted have paved the way for talented students to study medicine and serve their communities. I understand many of you will be starting your residencies in hospitals across the country, but I encourage you to come back. Please come back to Michigan when your residency is over and serve our communities here. We are facing a critical shortage of physicians right as the baby boom generation is retiring. We need your talents and your compassion to treat the growing patient population here in Michigan more than ever. And this is a great place to practice medicine and to raise a family. Our community, our state, and our nation are strongest when people like you are dedicated to making them better. To the graduates of the charter class, whether you choose to work in research or become a general practitioner or enter specialized medicine, we are counting on you to make a difference in your community, and we are all confident you will. Once again, congratulations on a job well done. I wish you all the best of luck as you start the next step in the exciting journey that lies ahead for you. May God bless you along the way, and have a great evening.